In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Show Mature Content, also known as the I'm over 18 setting in Reddit. This is useful if you're trying to see posts that are marked as mature or NSFW and they keep getting blurred out or hidden from your feed. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find this setting and how to turn it on safely and correctly. First, make sure you're logged into your Reddit account. You'll need to be signed in, because this is a personal preference that Reddit saves to your profile. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the Reddit page or app. You should see your profile icon there. It might be your avatar or just a simple profile symbol. Go ahead and click on your profile in the upper right. When you click it, a small menu will open. This menu gives you quick access to things like your profile, your messages, and importantly for this video, your settings. From that menu, find and click on Settings. This will open a new page or screen where all of your account and app preferences are managed. Take a moment to let it load, because there can be quite a few options, and it's easy to overlook what you're looking for if you rush. Within Settings, you'll see several sections. You're looking for the area labeled Preferences. Depending on whether you're on desktop or mobile, this might appear as User Settings with tabs or as a list you can scroll through. Move into the Preferences section, where Reddit lets you customize what you see and how content is displayed to you. Now scroll through your preferences until you find the option that says Show Mature Content, I'm over 18, or something very close to that. This is the setting that controls whether posts marked as mature or NSFW are visible by default. When this is turned off, Reddit will hide or blur that type of content. To enable it, simply toggle on Show Mature Content, I'm over 18. When the switch changes to the on position, your preference is updated. There usually isn't a separate save button. Reddit will automatically remember this choice. Once that's done, mature content that follows Reddit's rules should now appear in your feed, subreddits, and search results where it's allowed. If you ever change your